Hello, everybody. This is Stephen Choi. I'm back again. I hope everybody's doing well and staying healthy and safe. Um, in our first video series, we talked about the alphabet and we talked about the 8 parts of speech, and then we talked a little bit about nouns. So today, we're going to talk about pronouns and a little bit about adjectives, and we'll get started right away. By the way, I realized that these books, okay, Ventures3 series, these are the books that we're using for our class, and I am getting to them, okay? Don't worry, okay? But I'm still doing this, the welcome part here, okay? The welcome part, where's the welcome part? Let's see here. Okay, right here, the welcome part, okay? So I'm doing a lot of review, okay? I understand that you and Tiffany, your former teacher, you went through the most of the book anyway. So what I'm trying to do is to just review a lot of stuff, a lot of basic review, and eventually we'll get to the books, okay? So be patient with me, all right? All right, let's move on, okay? All right, so today we're going to talk about personal pronouns. Okay, there are many different kind of pronouns, as I mentioned before: demonstrative, indefinite, reflexive, possessive. Okay, but the most important or the most basic are the personal pronouns. Okay, so in personal we have subject and object personal pronouns, okay? And then I'm going to write down here 1P, 2P, 3P, 1P, 2P, 3P, okay? Do you know what these mean? And then I'm going to put these as S and these as P, okay? So who knows what that means? 1P, 2P, 3P, 1P, 2P, 3P, S and P. What do they mean to you? Right. It's first person, second person, third person, first person, second person, third person, and these first three are singular and these are plural. So for example, this will be first person singular, second person singular, third person singular, first person plural, second person plural, and third person plural. Okay? All right. Who knows what is the first person singular subject personal pronoun? Yes, I. Okay? In English, I is always capitalized. Whether it's in the beginning of a sentence or at the middle or at the end, I is always capitalized. Okay? All right. How about second person? Second person. Second person is you. You. Okay? You. Okay? And then third person, we have three, right? We have he, she, and it. Okay? He, she, it. All right? How about plural? We have, yes, we have we. And then second person is second person plural. Okay? Second person plural. Is it you or yous? Singular is you, plural is yous? No. In English, the second person singular and second person plural are both you. Okay? You don't say how are yous. Okay? You just say how are you. Okay? I can talk to one person and say how are you, or I can talk to the whole class and say how are you. Okay? I wouldn't say to the whole class how are yous. Okay? We don't have plural like that. Okay? This is how English is. Okay? Now in the South, you hear people say how are you all? How you all doing? Okay? But that's just the local dialect. Okay? Okay, that's not the best grammar. Okay? So it is second person plural is you, and the third person plural is, that's right, they. Okay? So it's I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Okay, these are subject pronouns. Okay. What about the object pronouns? What do you have there? What do you have there? Okay, is me, first person, singular object is me. You is you, right? Okay, you love me, I love you. Okay, you is you. Okay, and then how about for he? He is what? He is third person singular masculine, right? And that's the subject, and the object is, that's right, him. And then the feminine, okay, subject is she, object is her. It's pronounced her, not hair, okay? Her, okay? And then it is it, okay? It loves me, I love it. It loves me, I love it. Okay, just like you, okay? And then first person plural object pronoun. Yes. No, not our, okay? It's us. Us. And then how about second person plural object? You, okay? So you can see you is all same, okay? You singular, you plural, you subject, you object, you plural, plural. All four are you, okay? And then third person plural object is, that's right, them, okay? Very simple. You should know this, okay? You should know this. This is just a review, okay? I'm doing this because this is just basic pronouns that we need to know to speak every day, all right? All right, now I'm going to skip over here, okay? I'm going to skip over here. I said we're going to talk about pronouns, but also I want to talk a little bit about adjectives here, okay? These are adjectives. And this is a specific type. It's called possessive adjectives, okay? Now, we're just doing personal pronouns, but we're going to talk about possessive adjectives. Reason why I'm doing this is because these words, okay, they look like pronouns. They look like pronouns, but they are not pronouns. They are adjectives, okay? So we need to know these words, and we need to know what they are, okay? So we can be better students of English, okay? So what is the first person singular possessive adjective? Remember, these are adjectives, okay? All right, I heard it. Somebody said it. It's my, okay? My. And second person, that's right, your. And then third person singular masculine, that's right, his, okay? It's his, not his, no his, okay? It's his, z, okay? His, okay? And then the feminine, third person singular feminine possessive adjective is her, okay? And then let me put a comma here too, commas, okay? And then it is, that's right, it's, okay? Does that have an apostrophe or no apostrophe? Okay, no apostrophe, okay? When you put apostrophe, that is same as what? That is a contraction of it is or it has, depending on what you want to say, okay? But for possessive adjective, there is no apostrophe. It's just its, it's, okay? All right, let's go to the plurals. All right, possessive adjective. Okay, first person plural. That's right. Our. Okay, and then second person plural. That's right, just like the singular. Your. And then third person plural. Their. How do you spell their? Their. There. Okay. THEIR. E-I-R, okay? It's pronounced same as there, which is over there, okay? I live over there, okay? Or it's over there. And then it also sounds like this. Okay, so these are homonyms. They're all pronounced the same way. There, there. Okay, there. But these are three different words and with three different meanings. Okay, this is the possessive adjective. There. Okay, uh, that car is their car. The house is their house. Okay, shows possession. Okay, this there, like I just said, is location. Over there, over here. Okay, opposite of over here is over there, right? And then this is there, all same pronunciation, but that one is what? Exactly. That's the contraction of they are. They are contracted is spelled They apostrophe re, and it's pronounced there. Okay, but this is not. These are not adjectives. Okay, so forget about these things. Okay, so a lot of Americans make that mistake. They make that mistake all the time, even though that's their only language. Okay, so I just put that down there to let you know that you know English can be very confusing. Okay, all right. So these are what? These are possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives. Remember, they look a lot like pronouns, don't they? They do. But they're not pronouns. They are adjectives. If I say, this is my pen, okay, my describes whose pen? My pen. Okay, my describes the noun pen. So these are adjectives, okay? These are adjectives. They look a lot like pronouns, right? In fact, some of them are pronouns in spelling, okay? But we'll go over that in a second. All right. So here we have another one here. These are what? Possessive, what? These are possessive pronouns. Okay? These are possessive pronouns. All right? So, what's the first person singular possessive pronoun? What is it? Somebody tell me. Yes. Mine. And the second person singular? Yours. And the third person singular masculine? His. Third person singular feminine? That's right. Hers. Okay, with the z. No, hers. No s. Okay, it's hers. Z. Okay, and then its. Okay, its. All right, how about first person plural? Yes. Ours. Yours. And the last one? Theirs. Okay? So, these words you should know if you want to be fluent in English. Okay? So, I know these are very basic to some of you, but we need to know what they are and what part of speech they are and to be able to use them correctly. Okay? Now, as I said, this can be confusing. Okay? Look at this here. See? The his here, and his there. Okay? So remember, this is a pronoun here, but this is an adjective. Okay? And then you got her here, and then you got her there. Okay? So it can be confusing. All right? So this her is an object pronoun, but here is possessive adjective. Okay? So it's like saying, so if I wrote down a couple of sentences, if I said I like her, and if I said I like her car, let's say, okay? I like her and I like her car. We have two hers here, right? But are they same hers or are they different? I mean, they're same spelling, same pronunciation, but Are they same parts of speech? Are they different parts? Yes, they're different, right? One is a pronoun and one is an adjective. Okay, which one is the pronoun? This one. That's the pronoun. Okay, that's the pronoun. I like her. Okay, that's an object pronoun. But here, I like her car. That is an adjective. That's an adjective describing what? Car. Whose car? Her car. Okay, so that's how that works. Okay, and same thing with his. Okay, same thing with his. Okay, you can say I like. Let me erase this a little bit. I don't have more space. I could say I like his car, and I could say I like his. Okay, so this one I like his car. This is the adjective, right? Describes the car. Whose car? His car. But here, you like whose? I like his. I like his. Okay? You like hers? No, I like his car better. I like his. Okay? So that's the possessive pronoun. This one is a pronoun. Okay? So you need to know this, okay? For some of you who speak Spanish, this is what? Yo, me, mío, and then this is what? Me, right? So you can memorize this. Yo me mío me. Yo me mío me. Don't blame me, okay? That's what it sounds like. Anyway, yeah, those of you who speak Spanish, you understand what I'm talking about, right? All right, anyway. So this is the personal pronouns, subject, object, possessive pronouns, and then over here we have possessive adjectives. Okay? Once again, I like to remind you, they look like pronouns, but they're not pronouns. They are adjectives. Okay? And I want you to remember that. Okay? All right. Do you have any questions or comments about this? Okay? By the way, we have masculine, feminine, and this is called neutral or neuter, okay? So we have three third-person singular pronouns, okay? So we use he and she usually for people, okay? For a person, okay? For a woman, for a man, woman, a girl, or a boy, okay? So we use he, she mostly for human beings, for people, okay? We use it for things, okay? For tables, chairs, pens, erasers, we say it, okay? We also can use it for animals, okay? So we can say, you know, people can talk about it as in, I love it. Like, I love my dog, I love it. But, nowadays, people are very attached to their pets. So they would put I love her or I love him. Okay, that's fine. You can use he or she for animals, especially for your pets. But he and she is really mostly for humans. Okay, and then it is for animals and things. Okay, how about they? What about they? Okay, how about for they? Okay, I know in some languages, you have different things. Okay, different rules for pronouns, personal pronouns. But in English, we use they for everything, for every person, everybody, every people, and everything. Okay, so people and things. Okay, we can say they are from Mexico. Okay, so we can use they for people. We can say uh, they are clean, as in the tables are clean. Okay, so they can be used for things and people. Okay, we don't have distinctions in the plural, but in the singular we use he and she for people only. People only. Okay, and then it is for things. Okay, objects and animals. Okay, all right. And one more comment about mine, okay? Remember, the possessive pronouns all have S's at the end, okay? Yours, his, hers, its, ours, yours, theirs. All have S except for the first person singular. It says mine. Okay. Remember, when we make things possessive, in other sense, we put apostrophe S, right? Like Stephen's eraser, Stephen's pens. Okay. Stephen apostrophe S, make it possession, right? Well, in the possessive pronouns, you don't put apostrophes. We just end it with S's, okay? So in English, when you put the S, I know that could sound like a plural nouns, but for pronouns, when you put S's, it makes people think, okay, that this is possession, except for the first person. You don't say, this is mine's, okay? You say, this is mine, okay? This is yours. These are theirs. Okay, you can say that. But first person singular, no S. And the funny thing is, when little kids grow up in America and when they're learning English, little kids, like 2, 3, whatever, they'll say mines. That's mines, mom. Okay, because they think everything should be S. Okay, but just be careful. Mine is just mine without an S. All right. We'll see you in the next video. Okay. All right. See you soon. Bye bye.